Did you know that some words need to drop a letter before we adding ing? Let's learn this common spelling rule in under 3 minutes. Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. In this lesson, we are learning about spelling rules. Today we are focusing on dropping the silent E. Some words end with a silent E. Before we add ing, we usually drop the E. Make becomes making. Bake becomes baking. Look carefully at how the words change. Let's look at some more examples. Ride becomes riding. Smile becomes smiling. Dance becomes dancing. Again, the silent E is dropped before adding ing. So remember, if a word ends with a silent E, we usually drop the E before adding ing. This spelling rule helps the word look correct. Now it's your turn. Change each word by adding ing. Make, ride, smile. Pause the video here, and then we'll check the answers together. Let's check the answers together. Make becomes making. Ride becomes riding. Smile becomes smiling. If you got those correct, well done. So remember, if a word ends with a silent E, we usually drop the E before adding ing. Keep learning with our spelling rules explained simply playlist. In our next lesson, we'll learn another spelling rule. Changing Y to I before adding es. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. I'll see you in the next video.